Figma's AI panel lets you use plain English to change the content on the fly. Select a layer, hit the AI button on the top right of your selection, and type your request, like make this color scheme more friendly, or ensure all typefaces are accessible. You can even stack complex requests, like set the radius to 100 pixels, fill the ingredient list with realistic data, and match the images next to it. If you need a fresh start, open up the side panel and generate layouts entirely from scratch, like create a single sophisticated mobile screen for custom bird shoes for actual birds. Complex tasks run in parallel in the background, so you can fire off multiple prompts and keep working. Figma alerts you the moment each one may need your attention. It won't always be perfect, and it won't replace a good designer, but with a bit of experimentation in your own workflow, it can definitely help with creativity, tone down some of the busy work, and serve as another set of eyes for a quick sanity check. Cool.